Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we will be making my version of the Maryland style steamed shrimp along with some crab cakes and a corn salad. Hopefully you'll enjoy. It's gonna be a great video and this is one of my favorite ones, so let's get into the video. Do you see how nice and lumpy this meat is? Quick tip, your crab meat should smell like seawater, not fish water. Now watch your hands when you get to mixing with them bay leaves. They are pointy. Now this is sped up, but what I'm doing is gently tossing the crab meat around into the garlic butter, making sure that I keep as many lumps as possible because that's what you pay for. Little trick I learned from my mama. Now I didn't do it in this video, but if you want to add a little bit of a tangy spice, put half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard into the mixture. Now crab cakes are one of my favorite foods of all time, especially when they're made right, and that's 90% meat, 10% filling. Now this came out to be a bit of a small portion, so if you have more than 3 people, I suggest doubling it. But other than that, it was bomb. Now that was a delicious meal. Definitely not something you eat every night, but great for special occasions. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Comment down below any suggestions. Share this video with anybody and everybody. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Ooh, I cannot count all this money. I made a move and I'm woozy. You on the gram with your savings. You gotta spend it to move me. I'm drinking good on a Tuesday. Stepping on niggas, excuse me. Stay at the trap and it's gloomy. Bad little diamond, she bougie. Bad little diamond, she bougie.